What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to be working on the inside of my door with my Trufiber carbon fiber door lock inserts and my Trufiber carbon fiber window switch covers. Let's open these bad boys up and get them installed on the car.
This 50 go.
Don't drink and drive.
Installing the Trufiber carbon fiber door inserts. And we're going to be installing the Trufiber carbon fiber door lock inserts. Got us another lanyard and another postcard, flyer, whatever you want to call these things. Alright, let's get these bad boys on the car. Alright, to get these off, all you want to do is stick a little screwdriver in there, turn it, pop it off. You're going to have to take the lock part off too. And pop this off. Side or passenger side, I think they both look about the same. I'm just gonna push it in there. Lip things. Right there, push it in like that. Get your little, whatever you call this thing right here. Hold on, no, it ain't going up and down. Okay, there you go. Alright, there's that knob thing. Get your little flathead screwdriver. Pop it out. Get the new one. Pop it in. That easy. Then you're gonna want to get your little knob thing, screw it back on. Test it out. Alright, there you have it. Easy peasy. What I'm going to do is just pull it off. There's only some tabs on there. I already got it off because it's too hard to do with one hand. But just pop it off. And then you're going to unhook the little plug. Push it. Unplug it just like that. Alright, next you're going to want to take the switches out the insert. Just get a little screwdriver, push these little tabs down, and then you're just going to pull it out. Got the tabs pushed in. Now pull this out right here and come to your new one. Make sure you do it the right way. It'll go this way like this. Pop that bad boy in like this till it clicks. Of course, it never wants to click in there. There you go. Alright, once you get the switches back in, you want to come by and get the clip. Take the old clip off the old one, then put it right here to the new one. Get the clip, and then just push the clip down till it clicks. Then you might want to come by and get the get your pliers again. Just squeeze it a little bit so it sticks on there good. Alright, come back to the car. Okay, when you get back to the car, you're going to plug this plug back into here. And then you're going to clip this clip right into there. Easy peasy. Alright, we got the plug plugged in. Now you're just going to push it till it snaps in like that. Alright. Off to the passenger side. Next we're going to be getting taking the passenger side thing off. All you do is get a little screwdriver in there like that. Pop it off. Unplug the clip. Hard to do it one hand. Unplug it. Then you're going to get the new one. You're going to take that off of the old one, put it on the new one. You're going to take the switch out the old one and put it in the new one. What you want to do is make sure the clip's on, make sure the switch is pushed down into the cover, then make sure it's plugged up, and then you're just going to slide it on here and then push down. Easy peasy. Then get your key. Make sure everything works. Alright, so there you have it, YouTube. We got my Trufiber carbon fiber door lock inserts and my Trufiber carbon fiber window switch cover. Like I said, real easy. You shouldn't have no problems. Like I said, hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And thanks for watching.